Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like and share my channel and also press the bell icon button for more informative videos. So guys, today's our topic for discussing the economy of Pakistan. आज के हमारे टॉपिक में हम पाकिस्तान की इकोनॉमी के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे. द इकोनॉमी ऑफ पाकिस्तान इज कैटेगराइज्ड एज अ डेवलपिंग इकोनॉमी. इसको हम डेवलपिंग इकोनॉमी में कैटेगराइज करते हैं. It ranks as the 26th largest based on GDP using purchasing power party and the 44th largest in terms of nominal GDP with a population of 254.4 million people as of 2024. Pakistan's position at per capita income ranked 155th by GDP and 141 by GDP according to the International Monetary Fund. In its early year, Pakistan economy relied heavily on private industries. The nationalizations of a significant portion of the sector including financial services, manufacturing and transportation began in the early 1970s under Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. During Ziaul Haq regime in the 1980s, an Islamic economy was adopted, outlawing economic practices forbidden in Sharia and mending traditional religious practices. The economy started privatizing against in the 1990s. The economic growth centers in Pakistan are located along the Indus River. This includes the diversified economics of Karachi and major urban centers in Punjab. So, economic history. First of all, we will discuss about the history of economy. Inception in the late 1940. Upon its establishment, Pakistan had an agrarian-based economy. Agriculture constitute 53% of the country GDP in 1947 and slightly increased to 53.2% in 1949 to 50. With a population of approximately 30 million, including around 6 million residing in urban areas, about 65% of the labor force was engaged in agriculture. The agriculture sector played a circular role, contributing to 99.2% of exports and making up nearly 90% of the foreign exchange earnings. Disputes the processing significant had and mineral resources in both East and West Pakistan, including natural gas, crude oil, coal, limestone and marble. Pakistan faced numerous challenges in 1950. Its per capita income was around $360 in 1985 international dollar, and the literacy rate was only 10%. The nation encountered a lack of economic infrastructure, financial resources and an industrial foundation, particularly with poverty rates ranging from 55% to 60% in the West Pakistan region. Hope so you have to understand the today's topic. Please like and share my channel. Thank you.